Namaste. Hi viewers, hope you are doing well and welcome back to our channel.
Today we are going to see few postures that focuses on improving our lung capacity.
So without further delay, let's get into the video.
Our first posture is Ardha Chakrasana or Pirayasana. Come to standing posture, hands by the side of your thigh. Now keep your legs to your shoulder width apart. Slide your palm to your waist area with the fingers pointing up. Now with the inhalation, arch back. Keep pushing your hip forward. Expand your chest area. Take your elbows closer. While maintaining the posture, focus on your breathing. Maintain it for 10 counts. Now inhale, slowly come up and release the posture. Relax. Next posture is Parivrita Trikonasana, twisted triangle posture or revolved triangle pose. Come to standing posture. Keep your legs to 1 meter width apart. Turn your whole body to your right side. Inhale, bring your hands to the shoulder level. And with your exhalation, take your left palm to your right leg. Place it on the floor. And your right hand above your head. Open your chest area. Maintain it for 10 counts. Inhale, come up. And exhale, release the posture. Now take your legs apart to 1 meter width apart for complementary with your left leg. Turn your left foot, turn your whole body. Inhale and exhale. Place your right palm closer to your left ankle on the floor. Maintain it for 10 counts. While maintaining the posture, focus on breathing. Inhale, come up. Exhale, drop your hands down and relax. Our third posture is Bhujangasana or Cobra posture. Lie on your abdomen in prone posture. Keep your legs together. Hands at the last rib cage. Your elbows pointing the ceiling or towards the sky. Now with the inhalation, lift your torso up to your navel area. Push your shoulders back, expand your chest. Focus on your breathing. Maintain this posture for 10 counts. And slowly exhale. Relax your body. Drop your hands and relax. Our next posture is Chandrasana or Chandra Namaskar. Sit in Vajrasana, then slowly move to Shashankasana. Give a long stretch. Bring your right leg in between your hands. And slowly with the inhalation, adapt Pranamasana and arch back. Open your chest area, push your hip towards the floor. Maintain it for 10 counts. Focus on your breathing. And slowly exhale. Again, move to moon posture. Give a long stretch. Now, bring your left foot in between your hands. Inhale, adapt Anjali Mudra and arch back. Maintain it for 10 counts. While maintaining this posture, focus on the natural flow of your breath. Exhale. Release the posture and relax in Shashankasana. Come to sitting posture. Sit in Vajrasana. Our next posture is Ushtrasana, camel posture. Come to kneel down position with the knees slightly to your shoulder width apart. For the beginners, slide your palm to your waist area with the fingers pointing upward. Inhale, keep pushing your hip forward, arch back. Maintain this posture for 10 counts. And if you feel comfortable and flexible, place your right palm over your right heel. Adapt Chin Mudra in your left hand. Keep pushing your hip forward. Maintain this posture for 10 counts. And in the advanced level, you can place your left palm as well. Purna Ushtrasana. Maintain this posture for 10 counts. Focus on your chest area. Go with normal breathing. Now with the inhalation, slowly come up. Release this posture and relax in moon posture. Shashankasana. All these postures help in stretching and opening of the chest area and thus helps in improving the lung capacity. It strengthens the shoulders and arms and the lower back and also helps in developing and maintaining strong legs, gluteus, quadriceps, hamstrings and overall muscle strength. And also it helps in lengthening your spine. So keep practicing all these postures but go up to your capacity of stretching.
Thanks for watching this video and hope you liked it. Please do like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell button for more notification of our upcoming videos. Thank you.